Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create a logo and we will use the canva.com. And don't worry guys, because this canva.com will help you to create the logo faster. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step you can do is open the canva.com, and you can also open this Canva through your application into your smartphone or from the PC. And since I'm using the PC over here, so I will create the logo and I will go to the home page, and this is the look. And since I need the references of the logo, then I will type in this section to type logo, for example, or you can also type specifically about the logo that you would like to create, let's say about your community or your brand, etc. Let's say I will searching for about the nature logo and I will enter it. As you can see, these are the lists that will give you, let's say, the inspiration about the logo that you would like to create. Well, it is not only about your business, but it can be your community or about what product that you would like to present it in this logo. So I will choose this nature deer, and I will click this customize this template, and surprisingly these are also the logo that related to about the nature and also the deer. And I will continue to customize this template. Let's say by this logo I would like to create the community that related to about the kids and also how they love about nature. So I will change the name over here to become Natura Kids, and from the premium word I will change it to become community, and I will slightly extend the size. And as you can see, there is the white silhouette of the deer. Then I will change this picture and I will choose the element. I will choose, let's say, the children silhouette, and I will looking for more. Well, I will choose this logo, this silhouette, because this related to about the nature and children. As you can see, this silhouette contains the three, nature and children. And I will change the color to become slightly white, light orange. And if you need the more detail, then you can zoom in to see the detail. And I will slightly minimize the size and place it in the middle. And I will also change the background over here to become green. I will choose this color to represent about the color of the nature. You can slightly hold your mouse and move this color so you can see the change of the color and which the color that is suitable with your theme or your brand. Then I will also change the font color, that same with this background, and so does this community. And let's say I will add the stroke or the outline. And I will block this logo and slightly zoom, expand it or expand the size. And I will make it into, I will drag this element again, and I will click this group so I can resize this logo easily and put it in the middle. And if you feel this logo is enough or good enough, then you can click share to download this. You can download it into JPG format or PNG. So I will, since this is the logo, then I will click this PNG. Limit to, let's say I will try to become 1500 kilobyte and download. It will take you a while. Then this logo is ready to use. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself to create your logo. So that's it from me. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe, and also don't forget to practice it, and I believe that you will master this Canva. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.